I want to welcome you to Kentucky and realize you're in blue country. Customer service, the most important guy in the building is this guy right here. He has all the answers.
Also have coffee and refreshments. So
That's what we call customer.
that's customer service right there.
The intercom business is one of 3 markets that we serve. As I mentioned, the retail demonstration business is an important part of what we do. Our customers there are the consumer electronics brands, people like Sony, Samsung, LG, Polk Audio, Klipsch loudspeakers, and you will see our products in stores like Best Buy, Costco, Walmart.
For $10, I'll give you his cell phone number.
Do I have to wait till the show to sign autographs? Hey, how's it going?
We also are in the general aviation business. We make these devices here, which are for powering aircraft when they are on the ground. So if you've got an airplane that's in the hangar, you don't want to run the engine, you don't want to use the ship's batteries, these devices will light up the airframe and allow people to work on the airplanes, or just for pilots if they need to do database updates. The flight decks on airplanes now are all electronic, so you have this need to do that sort of thing.
They made this Ask Curtis campaign. I'm not really that comfortable with titles, so that was Photoshop.
Now I remember that was neat, that was cute.
So now my family's different. And I keep getting these texts. Okay, Curtis, how do we fix this?
Has anyone ever had a bourbon bowl? It's straight up Kentucky.
Any good manager knows hire people smarter than yourself, so that's why I have Jim and Logan.
Jim and I are project leads for all the projects we get. I'll point out Jim, he's been basically anything intercom, he is your guy.
Jim wrote all the code in the Series 1500 intercom.
Oh, wow.
It's a lot of fun.
Look, back in the day, Everett and I, we had not been here that long, back when the thing was first built, and we put this together, really like the combination of a telephone system and a pro audio sound system.
You need to sell to the fast food industry when they drive over.
Oh, no
You can't
kidding.
ever hear.
Yeah.
We believe that we are stewards of what's been entrusted to us here. We believe in the inherent dignity of people and their work and honoring God in what we do. We believe in sharing the rewards of our success with our employees.